Hey guys, this is Tang, and today I'm gonna walk you through one of the biggest airdrop, in my opinions, in 2025 and 2026, which is prediction market. And in this video, I will show you how to farm two prediction market, which is Polymarket and XO market. First off, I will walk you through why I think prediction market's gonna be the next big things, and then I will go through how to farm bully market and XO market. So why farming prediction market? So recently, if you notice, like the U.S. elections, prediction market is somewhat like the news outlet where they give out the probability that Trump gonna win the elections, um, like way before traditional newsletter give you the informations, and it's also a gambling platform. If you are on Twitter, like everyone is talking about prediction markets. With currently there are two dominant players in the fields. One is Polymarket, which for non-US user, and another one is 𝗂𝘂𝘁, which is only for US user. Recently, like in October, Polymarket just announced that they raised 2 billions at 9 billion market cap from ICE, which is the parent company of New York Stock Exchange. And they also announced the plan to expanding to the US market. Similarly, 𝗂𝘂𝘁 also announced that they just raised 300 millions at 5 billion market cap from uh, a lot of different VC, like well-known VC like Existing Z, Sequoia, Paradigm. They also start their crypto expansions and make their products available to other countries beside the US. You may ask yourself which market you should choose to trade on bullion market. In my opinions, you should choose something that you understand very well, um, or something you really interesting in. For example, footballs, whether BTC go to 120K and vice versa. So in this video, I will walk you through 3 way you can trade on Poly market. And the first one is directional trading. So I will take this one as an example. Uh, whether lighter market cap one day after launch will be above 2 billions or 4 billions. So for example, if you think that lighter is gonna be way over 4 billions at the launch, you can buy the yet options on Poly market at 62 cents. And if it launch above 4 billions, you will win uh, 38 cents. And there's a one important things, like you always have to pay attention to this one when trading on bullion market. That is, always read the rules. So for example, the lighter market, there is a terms, very important terms, that if lighter doesn't launch tokens by December 31st, this market will resolve to null. So this is a very important conditions. For example, if somehow the team decide to delay the launch, this market will resolve to no. And if you buy yes, you're gonna lose your money. So you need to read the rules very carefully. Another way to trade on bullion market or to farm airdrop is to provide liquidities. So how can you do this? So if you look into this market, where the mega is market cap one day after launch gonna be above 2 billions, and you see a gift box like right here. So basically, if you set your order near the midpoint, so within 2 to 3 cents from the midpoint, um, you will earn rewards every day. So for example, in this market, you will earn $1 will be paid out for everyone who provide liquidities in this range. One tips I have for you guys is always bet on what you believe in. Uh, and if you want to provide liquidities on both sides, please just place very small bets, like the minimum share requirements to earn rewards, because prediction market is very illiquid, so it can move up or down like significantly within just a few minutes. And if you check the earning tab on Poly Market, you will see that there are a lot of markets that they currently pay out rewards. meaning you can just provide liquidities in this market in order to earn these rewards. The last way to try on prediction markets is arbitrage. So I will take an example for you guys. So for example, if you see a market that asks what price will Bitcoin hit in 2025, and the option is over 130K, like this one. So for example, if you check on Polymarket, the yes option is 65 cents and the no is 35, while on another prediction markets, for example, limitless, the yes option is like 55 cents, while the no option is 45 cents. So what you can do is you buy the yes options on Polymarket, and then you buy the no option on limitless, and the total cost is $1 to win $0.1. So this means you will lock in 10% gains in 3 months. Another prediction market I would like to introduce to you guys is XO market. XO market is built on top of Celestia, and it is still on testnet. And they are currently doing their fundraising for the seed round. So basically, with XO market, you can bet on market or read your own market and bet on everything with testnet tokens. If you want to try out XO market, just use our code here. I will put somewhere on the top here. So currently they don't have a lot of market to bet on. So you just need to scroll through their website and like find which market that you like and just bet on that one. And since it's testnet tokens, you can bet like any amount that you want without worrying about losing real monies. And for example, in this market, like the Portugal to secure victory against Hungary, the no option is 0.05, so only 5% chance that Portugal's are gonna lose. So this could be an interesting option to buy because if you win, you will like get 20x the amount that you bet in that market. And there are actually some probabilities that Portugal gonna lose or draw to Hungary. So this is an interesting bet that you can take. Another features I like about XO markets is that they let you create your own market. That's right. So in order to get this feature, you need to check in for 10 days in a row, verify your Twitter account, and get the conviction point. So you can earn the conviction point just by placing bets on XO markets. There's also other prediction markets, for example, limitless on base, myriad on abstract, that you can try it out and arbitrage between these markets, for example, limitless and Polymarket or 𝗂𝘂𝘀𝘁 and Polymarket. But limitless already launched their token, so I think if you trade on other markets that haven't launched their tokens, you can have a higher chance to receive bigger airdrops. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.